Let's start with channels today. Creating new application and getting into channels basics, opening it in Helix. With domain, let Helix configure for Rust. We can definitely clean this. Let's start by creating producer and consumer. So let's create a producer and consumer, and we will be using MPSC, multi-producer single consumer, and then we will be having channel function over it. Next, what we want to be doing is creating producer. So producer needs to be sending some data. For that, we will be generating or spawning a function or a thread. So this will be producer handler, which is thread spawn, and this will move some data to another thread. Let's create a vector for data. Vector data. Let's send 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, and 5, and then we will loop over the data and send the data. So let's first print line send data D. Okay. Next we will be actually sending it. So producer dot send and D. I think that should be it. Okay, this is good. Now we need to import MPSC, which is under sync standard. Let's create a consumer handler. So this would also be a thread spawn, and since we have nothing to send here, this won't be a move. Let's start by receiving D. So this would be consumer, and we will simply print line receive D. That's great. Now we want to be joining handlers. So join handler for me and join the consumer handler for me. Okay. Everything looks good. Let's try to run it. Okay, so we sent 132.415 and we received it. Okay, that's perfect. If we were to start by 13, 13 is a good number. Let's start once again. And we start by 13.241 and we received 13.241. Then it sent 5 and then we received 5, which means this is technically not a for loop. We are actually using threads, and since threads can directly connect with each other, so the order is mismatched. Great.